How to launch your own NFT collection tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can launch your own NFT collection as a beginner. So let's get into it. Now, before we get started, as a beginner, you don't have a lot of know-how in the NFT community, and the first thing that I would recommend that is the most essential is to build your community. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go onto Twitter and create like a separate account, or you can use your own account, whatever you want. And you're going to follow a bunch of the Twitter influencers or NFT influencers, or a bunch of people that are interested in the NFT community on Twitter. So you might be wondering, hey, why am I following other people, and what's the point in following other people to launch my own collection? Well, I would say I would account for around 30% of my sales only happen because I am an active member in the NFT community on Twitter on my NFT account, and this is just a sample account that I've created for you guys to see on what you're going to do. Is the reason that you're going to create this account is you're going to follow a bunch of influencers, follow the collections you like, follow the actual influencers that are in the NFT community, and what you're going to do is once you have done that, you're going to actually interact with these. So interact with the collections you like, retweet, like the tweets, comment on the collections that you see. You're going to do retweet, you're going to quote these tweets, you're going to reply, you're going to say something in the NFT community, because NFTs are largely valued on the valuation that people give it. Art is only valued how much the people are willing to pay for it, and it's going to be very difficult if you're selling, even if you're selling gorgeous illustrations, it's going to be difficult to be able to sell them for a justified price if there is no social value to it. So that is why you're going to build your own Twitter account and follow a bunch of NFT influencers, follow some of these NFT collections, follow the NFT calendars, and other people as well that are interested in the NFT community. Talk to them, have conversations, interact with those people, because when they see that, hey, you're an active member in the NFT community, then they will be a lot more likely to interact with you and check out your collection. The second thing that you're going to do is, obviously, you're going to upload your NFTs on the OpenSea platform or any other NFT marketplace of your own choice. Make sure to add your collection and get the collection links before you actually have the launch date. So, for example, the launch date of my NFT collection is the 29th of July. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create. I'm going to link my MetaMask account over here. And you can link whatever crypto wallet that you have. I'm just linking my MetaMask account. So we're just going to wait for this to link up, and you're going to add and upload your NFTs and get the NFT link. So even when the NFTs are not launched, you're going to be able to receive the link for the NFT collection, and then you're going to promote it on Twitter. So the potential customers, the potential buyers have the opportunity to actually browse your NFTs, to look at them, to be able to see which ones they like, which ones they don't, so they are able to make a better informed decision. That is the most essential part. So you need to make sure that the collection is uploaded and you have the link for the collection already uploaded and promoted on your Twitter account, so people are able to better choose what they want from your collection. They are able to filter out the things that they want and the things that they might not want. So we're just going to link MetaMask. We're going to click on next, connect. So we're just going to accept and sign over here. So just like that, I'm going to upload my NFTs over here. So I'm going to upload this NFT, and then you're going to add the name. And then you can add this as a collection or a individual NFT as well. You can add specific properties, levels, stats as well. And then you can also choose to upload it as unlockable content. So this is especially helpful if you're launching a collection. So if you're launching a larger collection, then I would recommend that once you have some hype around your collection, once you've uploaded some of your images, and you've garnered some attention, then make it unlockable content. But if this is just your first collection, then I would not recommend making it unlockable. But if this is your second collection, or if you have a two-part collection, then make the first part simple, and then create the second part as unlockable content, because that creates a lot more hype and people will be a lot more interested to finally be able to see what is inside the actual collection. So after that, you're going to verify if this has explicit content, the supply, and the blockchain that you want your NFT to be on. And then you're just going to click on create. You're going to verify that you're not a robot, and we're just going to fill out this CAPTCHA over here. And just like that, you created your pixel art collection or whatever NFT that has been uploaded. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy this link and you're going to be able to share it. So even though this is not for sale just yet, so you can see that you have your basic NFT over here, and then you're going to click on sell. Now, once you have that, you're going to choose the amount. So I'm going to sell this for 0.001 ETH, and then you're going to choose the duration, you're going to choose the date range, and the timings as well. So let's say I want to launch this on the 29th of July. I'm going to choose that as the date for the launch. Just like that, and then you're going to set the time as well, whatever time you want, and then the ending time for the collection as well. So just like that, you're going to add all of that information, and once you have done that, so we're going to enter it again. And just like that, you have your service fees. So you have a 2.5% service fees. The listing is free, but once sold, the following fees will be deducted. And then you're going to click on complete listing over here. And then you will just have to wait for the signature request on your MetaMask account. And just like that, we have our listing created. So you can choose to lower the price, edit it later on, and you can add more to the collection later on as well. And what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you have everything listed, or you have uploaded everything before the launch date of your collection. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go on to nftcalendar.io. So because building community is so essential, you're going to go onto a platform like nftcalendar.io, and then you're going to click on list your event, and then you're going to add the event of your NFT drop. So you're going to talk about your NFT collection and the description, the cover image, the event date, the blockchain, and the links for your NFT. And then you can even create your own website, and you have your Twitter account link as well, and you have your Discord server link. So once you have a successful launch, once you have a couple of collections out there, you can begin creating your own Discord account and a Discord for your NFT collections as well. And you can join some other Discords as well. Although they might not be as helpful in getting more sales into your NFT collection, they still would be helpful in terms of getting more hype and, building some more connections in the NFT space. And the more connections you have, the better it will be for your NFT collection. Now, this NFT over here, this simple little illustration I have created using pixel art over here, and I have a detailed tutorial on how to create this specific illustration, so you can check that video out if you want to learn how to create pixel art collections. And if you want to create a simple NFT, then you can go on to canva.com. I also have a detailed tutorial on how to create a simple NFT using Canva, so check those videos out as well, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow these tips for a successful NFT collection launch. And if all else fails, you can simply lower prices later on as well to make sure that you are able to sell your NFTs. And depending on the amount of people that view your NFTs, you're going to be able to understand what people are liking. If you see that people are viewing like a specific NFT more frequently than the other NFTs in your collection, then you can go ahead and create more NFTs like those, and so on and so forth. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't worry, any of the gas fees that you have to pay for OpenSea, you don't have to pay them. The person that is going to purchase the NFT from you is going to be the person that is going to be paying the gas fees, so you don't have to worry about that as a creator, but as a collector, you're going to be paying your gas fees. So until the next time, I will catch you guys in the next video.